guys, you see I'm not doing any dance video because tomorrow I have surprise for you guys. Look guys, I have a roller skate. I just got started guys. And I just got started of this. This is the brake, or you want to stand. But there's a huge problem. It's size 39. And it's okay because my feet is 35. So means I can still wear it, but it maybe it's too heavy. And I know how to do this because I have this one before, but it's 34, so we had to sell it. But this one's a back, and this one, there's no. And I wanted pink, but they give me red one. They're so a scammer. And I want size 35, not size 39. This is the website. It's called Shopee or TikTok that I will buy. My mom buy. Actually, my aunt buy. Like my tita. They're so scammers. Oh my goodness.